What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Poly Vegan Kitchen. Today we are making a vegan waffle, but with a Tongan trifle twist. Today's recipe is brought to you by 1031 Eatery. And these are the ingredients you're going to need to make this waffle. All-purpose flour, orange juice, salt, syrup, vanilla extract, non-stick cooking spray, baking powder, vegetable oil, plant-based milk, and sugar. Of course, you're going to start by adding all your dry ingredients together in a bowl. Mix before adding your wet ingredients. Measurements for this recipe is down below in the description box. After mixing, you're going to just sort of make a little hole in the middle and start adding your wet ingredients. Once it's all in there, you are ready to mix. However, be careful not to overmix. You want a wet, thick consistency like so, but not too thick and not too runny. Then you're just going to add it into your waffle maker. Let the waffle maker do the rest, and voila. Now for the custard. If you're Tongan, you already know this is a must when it comes to our trifle dessert. Literally, guys, all you need is plant-based milk and this French Vanilla Jell-O. Quick little tip when buying Jell-O or instant pudding: always check the ingredients to be sure that it does not contain gelatin. Gelatin is made from bones and skins of animals, generally from cows and pigs, and obviously it's not vegan friendly, so be sure that your stuff is gelatin free. Now, the Jell-O box calls for 2 cups of regular milk, but because we're using plant-based milk, always start with half a cup and then slowly add from there until you get the consistency you like. Once that's done, you are ready to combine and layer everything to your liking. Here we have a waffle, custard, plant-based whipped cream, fruits and nuts of your choice. Then you just take a big bite and enjoy.
Delicious.
And there you have it, another satisfied Poly Vegan kid. A huge thank you to 1031 Eatery for today's delicious recipe, and thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and remember, no matter where you are on your journey, there's always room for you at our table right here on Poly Vegan Kitchen.